Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your email on Facebook. It's pretty simple. You want to click on your menu icon at the bottom right of your screen and then click on the setting icon at the top right. From over here, click on see more in account center, which is going to be in blue color. From over here, what you want to do is click on where it says personal details. From inside personal details, the first option, contact info, click on it. Once you do that, it's going to show you the current email which is with your account. Click on add new contact and click on add email. Now you want to add a new email. So I'm going to add a new email over here. Once you add a new email, at the bottom, tick your Facebook account and then click on next. Once you click on next, a verification code is going to be sent to your mail to confirm that it's your mail. So go check your email and confirm that that's your email. So I'm going to confirm it by entering the code over here. You guys also go check the code sent by Facebook. Once you type the code, click on next. Once you do that, your email will be added over here. And once your new email is added, you can remove your older one. To remove an email, you can just click on the email, click on delete email, and your older email will be deleted. By doing that, your new email will be there and your older will be deleted, hence changing your email on Facebook. So that's how you guys can change your email on Facebook. Hit the subscribe to our channel. One step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.